Alright, once again, hello guys and welcome back to another of our Excel classes. So in today's course, our goal is to calculate the commission that each employee gains when he is working on his sales position. So instead of creating another app to calculate the commission, our goal will be to integrate everything in this place right here. So instead of having another app, we'll put everything in this table. So how will we proceed? It's very simple. We'll make our add-on here. The first thing we want to do is simply insert another tab like this, and we'll add another place where we will write commission. Perfect. Next thing we want to do is simply add our formula. So we'll merge our cells and then add our VLOOKUP. So what we will look for, we'll look for the commission value of our first employee. So in this case, we are looking for, we'll do a VLOOKUP. So we are looking for the number 1 in this database and want Excel to generate the 7th column. All right, so as you can see, and we will put, very important, to put it in percentage. So as you can see, we have our commission here. Don't forget, once again, to lock your cells, because if you don't lock them, it will not work when you will copy and paste everything. So when it's done, very simple, we can simply copy and paste it everywhere. All right. So as I said, you can see the problem is I didn't lock my cells. So right here, we have to lock it. All right, let's continue. The next thing we want to calculate is how much sales the person made each and every day and how much the person received in commission. So we'll do this for the number 1, and then we'll simply add everything to the next numbers. So very simple, simply insert other cells. Try to keep at least 6 cells free, since we'll calculate the commission, and at the same time we'll calculate how much the person made. All right, so the first part will be total sales. In this case, we'll generate a random number between, let's say, $100 and $1,000. They said $100 and $1,000. And the second part will be commission. So how much the person have earned in commission that day. So very simple, we'll simply multiply the total sales by the commission value. Once again, very important, don't forget to lock your commission value, because if you don't lock it, once again, it will not work when you copy and paste everything. All right, perfect. So right now we know that the person made $31 for in commission that day. Next thing we want to do is simply copy and paste everything. All right, so as you can see, we have everything here. Everything is perfect. Next thing we want to do is add another tab here. So we'll add another tab just there. And what we'll do here is simply write down how much the person earned in commission. So total commission will be here. So how we will calculate it? Simply making additions of all of our commission values. All right, and then the final step will be to calculate what is the total weekly income. That includes the commissions and the weekly income. In this case, weekly income plus commission. All right. So as you can see, the way we'll calculate this is very simple. We'll simply click on equal and make an addition of both of those cells. So this is for our weekly income. The next thing we can also do is simply add this right here. So we'll be able to know exactly how much each person gained in commission. Well, every day how much commission have been paid. But for the purpose of this course, I will just do this for our first employee, since this is all what we are looking for. So very simple. I'll suggest you to do this for every employees. You can right now do this for every employees. I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna be a bit boring. But what I'll suggest you to do is do this for every employee. So this way you will be able to create a dashboard in our next class. So that's it for this course, guys. Don't forget, do what we just did for the first employee for all the employees, and see you all in our next class where we are going to create the dashboard.